Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to count the number of records in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To count the number of records in Tableau, you can use a few different methods depending on your needs. Because by comparing counts across different fields or tables, you can identify missing records or gaps in your data. The discrepancies can indicate issues like data loss, duplicate entries, or incorrect joins. Now, in this case, I'm going to create a new sheet so we can work with a new one. I'm gonna rename this as maybe something like this. Let me make it bold so you guys can easily see it. Click on apply, and the first thing that I'm going to do is search for maybe like a region. No, not region. Maybe like type in count. There you go. Click on sales target, and then now I want you to drag the sales target, go into the text. You see that one? Nothing's happening red, right? Now after that, I want you to type in region and press enter. And then go to region and select it to. Now if you hit that kind of error, just try it again to see if that works. You see that? And of course, you can tweak the information here as much as you wanted. Let's do that. Now, there's an option here on the drop-down menu. Basically, if you don't want this kind of method, the putting the CNT or count, I just want you to go to the create parameter. I'm sorry, go to the calculated field, and then I want you to type in maybe and then type in. Now here I wanted to type in some of maybe depending on you, it could be 1 from 2 from 20, maybe like 2 for now. Click on apply, click on OK. So it's invalid, right? So let's create another one, maybe 1 for now. All right, but the idea is you just have to drag it down here and it would do the same thing. Excuse me. Now remember, when applying the counting number of records, it helps ensure that your filters are working correctly and that you're analyzing the intended subset of data. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.